Okay, so it's February and we're out in the garden, and we just thought we'd show you how things are looking at the moment, and we're going to show you what it looks like in the summer, so you can almost see the before and after. So if we work along this border at first, in the border in the summer, this has got loads of perennial plants which will come up, but they're just underground. But you can see we've got a lovely hellebore here, so if you want some winter flower, this will flower. They haven't opened yet, but they will do. So obviously this is evergreen, so we do grow other stuff that will stay green in the winter. So if we work our way along here, all our pots don't appear to be doing very much at the moment, but they're all going to have flowers in. And then we've got another hellebore over here, so, and that one just appeared itself. This is our honeysuckle, which isn't looking too good at the moment, and we will put a video on when we prune that later on. So it's February in our garden, and these are all the pots that we've now moved to the front, and these all have a range of tulips and daffodils in, none of which have appeared yet, but they're all beginning to appear. So this is what they look at this time of year. We use a lot of grit on them to stop squirrels trying to dig them out, but they're all just sitting here waiting to flower. So this is another part of our border in February. We've got a whole load of tulips in a big pot over there. They come up every year, and you can just begin to see some of our perennials starting to come up. So we've got irises over there, we've got mountain cornflower just in front of me here. Again, there's our geraniums, so these haven't completely disappeared. Some do, some don't. Over there is a peony. You can see that that's just been cut back, and that will come up. We've got some more daffodils there as we come round. This is the one that we cloud pruned, fuchsia that we cloud pruned earlier, and you can see it doesn't even look alive, but it is very much alive. It's just going to look like that during the winter. There's another section of our border, and you can see these grasses, and these are here all year, summer and winter. So you can see that they look quite nice at the moment, and you can see they're starting to split, so we will divide them up and get more grasses. We've got a large hellebore there that's not really got going, but will do. And this in the summer again has wild garlic in the spring. It has loads of flowers in, which we'll show you. But you can see as we move along, sitting there in our snow that we've just had, are our snowdrops. So they've only just started to appear. It is mid-February here, but you can see that they just come up. So we don't do anything with them. They just divide themselves up and they just appear every single February. So there are early signs that spring is here. And there's another one of our grasses, different type of grass.